Hey guys, Terry here. I wanted to do a new updated video tour of my craft room. It's September 2018. I just got back from a crop and I put stuff away and organized, and I thought I better take a picture of it while it's clean. So here is, as you enter the room, I have two Raz cogs. They're a little disheveled these days. I use stuff on there that I don't use too often. I've got Project Life stuff here. A lot of Jelly Bean ephemera here. Paper and stamps there at the bottom that I don't use too often. So that's on that side of the room. I also have behind the door a pegboard that I haven't used in quite some time. My idea for that was to hang stuff out so that I use it, remember that I have it, and it's behind the door and I forget about it. I'm fortunate to have a built-in closet that has many shelves. So it's got books, paper, fabric. I sort my 12 by 12 paper by colored cardstock and then by theme, and then down below I've got stamps and various other tools. So I'm a crafter. I like to make quilts and scrapbook and make cards. So then I have a tall IKEA kitchen table. It's got a stack of stuff on it right now that it's kits that I've done and pages I want to sort through. So I need to put those in the books and decide where those layout kits are going to go. And then I have a desk set up in the room. The desk, I've decided to store stamps by theme. So I've got them by thank you, by flowers, by Christmas, and these are the ones that I use often. So I like having those close at hand on that side. In the desk, I'm able to store dies and my Big Shot, my Brother Scan and Cut, and my Cricut are inside there. So I just pull those out and use them on top of the desk. Over here I've got the IKEA Kallax. I've got two of them. You can stand them upright or turn them on their sides. And then I've got a lot of my scrapbooking supplies by color. So as you can see, I've got some 8.5 by 11 paper pads, letters and stuff by color. And then in the drawers I have brads and buttons, and then lots of ribbon. So each drawer is organized by that. Just a rainbow color. I think it's pretty in the room. It's kind of inspiring when you're working on something. I recently moved my table to this side of the room. I'm liking it here because it's next to my scrapbooking supplies. It's a folding table, and I've got it set up with two Alex drawers, the tall skinny ones, and I like that. In each of the drawers I've got tape and supplies, glues, printer, punches, other trimmers. Over here I have my inks and stuff, so this is what I use for stamping. Cleaning pads, embossing, inks and refills, and then distress products. Across the top of the table I have Copic pens, tools, projects I'm currently working on, inks, markers. Underneath here is my, that's the Mink machine. And then at the end, I've got one of the Kallax units that's just the little 4 cube on wheels, and I can move that around. Right now I have my sewing machine on there, but I can also put my Cricut and wheel it to where I'm working. So I really like having the wheels on that. So that was just a quick tour of my craft room. Thanks for watching.